Hello everyone! Today we will talk about how are foods different? Which foods are big and which foods are small? Are these foods big or small? The strawberry is small. The watermelon is big. Are these foods big or small? The chicken is big. The egg is small. Now let's talk about sweet or sour. Is it sweet? Or sour? Ooh, sour. This girl has a sweet lollipop. The lollipop is sweet. The boy has a sour lemon. The lemon is sour. Are these foods sweet? Or sour? Ooh. The cake is sweet. Yummy. The lemon is sour. Ooh, sour. Are these foods sweet or salty? The cookies are sweet. The potato chips are salty. Are these foods sweet or salty? The candy is sweet. The French fries are salty. Now you know how foods are different.